In this tutorial, we'll use the new AI agent feature in SimLab Composer to create interactive conversations in VR. You'll learn how to set up an AI agent, make it listen for user input, and respond to it. This new feature helps you build more engaging and interactive VR experiences. Now let's begin. First, open your project in SimLab Composer, then, from the Interaction section, click on AI Agents. Then, in the AI Agents window, name the AI. Then add the instructions you want the AI to follow. Select the string variable that will store the information the AI gathers during the interaction. If you want the AI to speak with a voice, make sure to check the voice checkbox, and you can change the AI's voice from the preset section. Now, open the Training Builder, then from the Event section, add the event you want. For this example, use the node triggered event. In the Scene node input, assign the object you want to click on to trigger the AI to start listening. Then, from the Responses section, select AI Agent Start Listen. Then in the AI Agent Name input, select the AI agent you created earlier. Then, create another node triggered event and assign it to the object you want the AI to stop listening when clicked. Then, from the Responses section, add AI Agent Stop Listen, and in the AI Agent Name input, select the AI agent you created earlier. Now let's test it.
What planet are you from and where is it located in the galaxy?
I am from a planet called Vortrex, located in the Andromeda Galaxy.